Okay, so let's take a look at the brand new theme and some of the new settings that are available for the Evolve D theme. You'll notice that the front page screen is it's a full screen login. It has a custom login page. All these text strings here, the login, forgot, if I didn't have my username and password in here, it would say username and password. Those are all ready for translations. And so once you log in, this is the custom home page. And as you can see, we have a couple of large navigation icons at the top. We have a My Courses drop down. And we have a slideshow here that you can upload a couple of images if you'd like, a text area, and some marketing spots below. So how does all this happen? Let's go into our site admin. We'll go under Appearance, Themes, and as you can see right here, here is the Evolve D theme, and we're just going to go through these pages rather quickly. And we'll start off with the general settings. You have Google Fonts, the navbar invert. You can upload a logo. When you upload the logo, it appears in the upper right corner. You can add in some custom CSS. You can do a general alert, a snow alert, and you can also put some text that appears down here in the footer. On the next page, we have theme colors. So the text color, that's quite obvious. It's whatever the text is. Here's the link color. This is the main content background. So as you can see, there's like a beige color in this demo. And over here, the secondary background color, that's for your blocks. Another one that is new is this topic and week section background. So as you can see right here, it's a white color. And let me just give you an example of what that looks like. So if you choose the weekly or topic course format, what it does is it creates a visual cue for the learner to understand that the section or topic is separated. And it's just a simple box with a drop shadow, and that applies for every section and every topic and or week. So going back to the admin page, this is where you can set that different background color. So for instance, if you wanted yellow, we can do that. Click Save Changes. And if we go back to that, you can see that each of these are yellow. So it can really make your content pop for the learner. And when it's separated out like this, it makes it a little bit easier to digest a full page of learning material. So we'll just put that back to white. Here's the background color. This is the area that appears as the main background. You can also upload an image and do those kinds of things. Moving on, the custom menu, that is this part at the top, and you can either activate it or turn it off. Marketing spots, these appear at the bottom of the page, and you can toggle when they appear, so you can have them always show before login, after login, or don't use them at all. You can also pick the background for the blocks at the bottom, and you can put in your title, an icon, your content, and then a link. And you can add up to 3 of them, and this is what they look like on the pages. Now, front page options, and this is what makes the Evolve D theme unique. If we turn on the custom front page, you get the image that I showed you beforehand. But if we turn it off, let me show you that. When we go back to the home page, you get your typical Moodle home page. When you log out, there's no full screen login. It's simply a regular Moodle course. It's based off of the More theme, so anything you could do with the More theme, you can also do with the Evolve D theme. However, the reason we created this was to have this custom front page. So when we go to the site admin, again under Appearance, Themes, Evolve D, the front page options, this is what makes this theme unique, is turning on the custom front page. Now, you saw when we logged in we had an image, a full screen image. You can upload your image right here, and that will be your front page login image. Here is where you can turn the slideshow on or off, and just for demonstration purposes, you saw it while it was on. I'm going to turn it off, and you can upload up to 4 photos. Here is the front page text box. So again, trying to keep things simple, we just put in one area where you can add some information for your users when they come in. And then those custom icons at the front page, they were the larger icons that appeared near the top. You can pick from any of the Font Awesome icons. All you would need to do is copy the part that appears after the FA, and you can very easily change those icons right here. And you can add up to 8 of them along with some text and the link. Now, something new that just came out is the Socialwall Course Format options. This allows you, if you download and install this plugin, the Socialwall Course Format, this format transforms a normal Moodle course into something that is similar to Facebook or Edmodo. It's compatible up to Moodle 2.9, and it's a great tool for teachers that want to have a social experience instead of the traditional Moodle topic or weekly course format. So what this does is allows you to customize that experience. So for instance, this is what the Socialwall format looks like. You have an area where you can type in a message. You can drag and drop documents just like you normally could, or you can choose to add any of the traditional Moodle activities. Once you click Post, the text and materials that you added show up in your timeline. Now, students can come in and leave comments and interact with that material. Now, as you can see, there are some different elements here. So you have the post, you have the message, you have comments, and I'm going to scroll down and show you this is what attachments look like. The Evolve D theme allows you to customize that user experience. So for instance, if the area where the teacher makes a post, let's say you wanted to make that a green color. Okay, we're just going to go off the wall here, green, and maybe the post area, we'll leave that white, but the message, we're going to make that a blue color, and the attachments, instead of being green, we're going to make them a yellow, and the comments, we're going to make a dark red. And I'm going to save these changes. And here is our Socialwall format, and as you can see, this is changed to green The message area is now blue and comments are red. Now these little text and image areas where you have an image and the word post, message, comments, and in some cases attachments, that text can also be changed right here, and we'll just make this a bright orange. And when we refresh, instead of being red, these will appear orange. As you can see, now they're orange. So you can totally customize the look and user experience of the social wall format. Now I should point out that this unique look and design for the social wall format is only available when you use that plugin with this theme. Otherwise, on other themes, it will not look the same, and you do not get the control that you do with the Evolve D theme. So again, in order to get this experience, you need to use the Evolve D theme with the social wall course format. The two go hand in hand. So that is the, and I should point out, with the help of some Moodle users, we were able to add some language strings so that, as you can see right here, this is Dutch. Let's look at Spanish. The text in the social wall format changes, and we picked the major ones: Dutch, Spanish, Italian, and I believe we did French as well. So thank you for watching, and that is the latest release coming shortly to Moodle.org, and you can download and install it. This will be Socialwall version 2.0.4.